بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan for joining me in another lesson today. Inshallah, in this lesson we'll be discussing a new concept called tanween. And tanween, there are three types of tanween. Tanween with fatha, tanween with kasra, and also tanween with dhamma. Now, in the lesson today we'll be discussing tanween with fatha. So tanween with fatha essentially is a fatha on top of another fatha, okay? And it is also called sometimes fathatain, okay? Fathatain means two fathas, okay? And the sound that it gives a letter or a word is an, okay? The sound that it gives a letter is an, okay? So when we see it on top of the hamza here, we're going to say an. And you will always see tanween with fatha like this, where it will have the two fathas here and then an alif after it. So that's how it is written. So an, ban, tan, than, jan, han, khon, dan, then, ron. And here you can notice with the strong letters the way tanween, the sound of tanween changed. We were saying an, ban, tan, than, jan, han, and then when we got to the strong letters we start to say khon. Okay, so pay attention to that. Dan, then, ron. We don't say ran. Ron, zan, san, shan, son, don, ton, von. Go back to the week. An, ghon, fan, qon, ken, len, man, nan, wan, han, yan. Okay, so now let's look at some examples of tanween in words. qari'an, hasiban, خافتا, ثالثا, خارجا, صالحا, صارخا, شاهدا, عائذا, شاكرا, بارزا, عابسا, فارشا, ناقصا, رافضا, هابطا, واعظا, رافعا, فارغا, واقفا, واثقا, شائكا, غافلا, صارما, آمنا, فارها, داعيا, ناجيا, ثاويا, واليا. Okay, we're going to read these next set of examples. Maridan, and this is just another way to write meme. Okay, so maridan, ضعيفا, بعيدا, عليما, حكيما, سميعا, عليما. And here we can see another way of writing meme. Okay, and like I mentioned before, this is something that you will see not very frequently, but sometimes in the Quran some letters might be written a little different, and it's just a case of you seeing the word and just familiarizing yourself with it, and then once you see it again you will know what it is. But yeah, they're not very often, they're not all the time. So yeah, sami'an, aliman, وساء سبيلا, وساء سبيلا, يورث كلالة, and together يورث كلالة, تكون تجارة. Okay, we have the two dots on top of the shape like we mentioned before. We have two dots on top of this shape here. This is a ta, so we say T because we have a kasra. This kasra belongs to the ta and the fatha belongs to the jim. So T elongation رة تجارة تكون تجارة فخورا فله جزاء and then together فله جزاء. We use and we leverage this elongation to join to the jim. فله جزاء يسيرا وكفى به بذنوب عباده وكفى به بذنوب عباده خبيرا and all together وكفى به بذنوب عباده خبيرا ثيابا ترابا فسادا إماما حطاما طهورا شهودا درجة شفاعة شيبا قيلا تكون حرضا and together تكون حرضا حصيدا خامدين لطيفا خبيرا and then together لطيفا خبيرا. So alhamdulillah, we've concluded our lesson as it relates to Tanween with Fatha. Please read these examples at least 10 times just to familiarize yourself with the concept of Tanween with Fatha. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.